Hey folks, just wanted to create a quick video to mention finally the blogs are done, and I wanted to show you some of the new features. I did recreate basically all the videos because of some of these new features, which of course are optional. You don't have to use them. Um, so I'm just going to go over some of the new features just to let you know that they are there. This is assuming you'll watch the videos anyway. I've made the videos shorter, but there are more videos now, but that's because a few of them are talking about some of the new features. Most of them have to do with the theme options. So, as you see here, I'm using WordPress 3.3. This is just a little congratulations on getting installing the blog, getting started, changing your password. You guys already know that for the most part. Um, so I'll just get into what's kind of new in the theme options. You can see here it looks a little different. Normally it says headlines. It says headlines enhanced now. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm going to try to be quick, so I apologize if I'm talking fast. But let's see. The first thing is on the home page. You've got access to the shortcode for the slideshow, whereas before is more hard-coded inside one of the interior files. Um, you can also choose not to show the slideshow and to show a video instead. So you just paste in, for example, your YouTube, or this is a Vimeo video. As long as it's 580 by 300 pixels to get the best size, uh, in terms of layout. So I'll just show you that quickly. So if I refresh, see a Vimeo video now, so you can just paste in a YouTube embed code. Um, Now, another thing too is the past theme. You've got the 5 sticky posts, but once you added a new article, then it would a new post it would appear down here. So now you can control. You can say, okay, I just want sticky posts only on the home page, and I want 5, or if you want 10, just type in 10. These are just for sticky posts. If you don't tick that, then the sticky posts, you will have the newer articles that aren't sticky posts appear below those 5. But so now you don't have to worry about your sticky post being the most recent article, so to speak. Um, that's one thing. This homepage top sidebar, really it's a top sidebar. It doesn't have to be on the homepage. Matter of fact, it might look better not on the homepage. But um, I went ahead and created it. I almost took it out, but I thought, well, somebody might, some folks might like the idea. So actually, I'll just show you what it looks like. This is using text widgets, you know, and I just created 3 sample banners that are included in all the blogs, just so you can get an idea of, right now to me personally, it looks quite busy because we've got a banner here, we've got 3 up here, and we've got the slider. But if I put it on a post, let's just look at a post ID. Okay, 255. I go over all this in the in the new video, so don't worry if I'm going too fast. If I want to show it above one of the posts, so instead of showing it on the home page, so I'll refresh the home page. Okay, so it disappears, but it'll appear above this first post. So something like this might be a little bit better. Again, these colors are quite bright, but you could put in a video, or it's really meant for banners though. I mean, the idea behind it is for banners. I have put a YouTube video in there. You don't have to have these ribbons. You can choose between 1 and 5 stars or no stars. You can just get rid of the stars. You don't have to show the ribbons at all. You can just have banners up there. You can control the color of the side of the border on all 3. So you could have this a red ribbon, and this a blue one, a yellow one. The borders can all be different colors. Um, again, I go over that in the videos. So I just thought I'd let you know about that feature. The next one is now you can replace your affiliate URLs from within the theme options. You would click this hop link just like you would in the past. You would type in your affiliate nickname, and then this vendor ID number 1, Chad Mitch, that pertains to these banners. So basically the make cash taking surveys of product. So you type in Chad Mitch under vendor nickname, click encode, grab this URL, and then go right here to step 3, replace your encoded URL for affiliate URL number 1, which is this one. So you just paste that in there. You can click Save All Changes, and wherever there's a banner, for this particular product, the affiliate URL will now be changed all within the theme options. Okay, so there's obviously 2 ClickBank products per blog, and then finally there's I mean there are other things, but for the most part they're I've gone over everything in terms of what's new. There's a sales page options. Basically, I created a sales page template that has no header, no footer, no sidebars. Um, and what I'll do is I'll quickly go to pages before I get into these. And I've created a sample sales page for you to look at if you like. It's in draft mode, so I'll just publish it. Give you a quick idea of what you can do. So you can change the background color, the border radius, the width of the page, the padding inside the page, this white space, the padding on the top, bottom, left and right. Some graphics you can add to the page or a post, but this is a page template. No footer, or you can add the blog footer. So I'll go back to theme options and sales page options. So, you could change that to 700 pixels wide, make it a real narrow sales page. I'll leave it at 950 for now. You could change the background color, so say you'd like it to be quite dark. And then the border size, it defaults at 1 pixel. If you're not really interested in having a different colored border or a thickness of a border, you don't have to really mess with that. But you can have a dashed or dotted border. Corner radius, I can change that to 20 pixels, or no radius would mean square corners. You can show the blog footer if you want, or you can show a custom footer where you can have custom links like about, terms and conditions, and I'll show you kind of how that looks. Okay, so I've changed it to a dark background, a 20 pixel radius corner instead of a 30 pixel one. You can see the links down here. So I just figured people might want to use it to sell their own products, or if they might have PLR products, or to create like a review page of some sort. Technically, it could be an opt-in page, like a squeeze page. Last thing I'll show you is on that particular page called sample sales page. If you wanted to use this feature, then over here on the right, for under template, you got to make sure you select sales page no header, because when you create a new page, it default template is selected. So you come down here, select sales page no header, and what I've done is I've actually created a plugin. This is the light version, meaning it's not the full version, but you can add custom headline text, choose from a different font, size of the font, color, bold, center align it. You can highlight behind text, so if you want to make certain points, you can highlight text. Let's see, you got a few different divider options, a few different bullet point graphics. I'm going to be adding, the full version is going to have loads of different graphics. I'm just kind of quickly showing you a few things. We've got a few different buy now buttons. You can align it, add a link, open in a new window. Some badges. This is only, it's one style of badge, one color scheme, if you will, but 3 different sizes. But when I've developed the full version of the plugin, there'll be loads of different badges and colors and 30-day guarantees and all that stuff. So, but I figured that there's enough there to create some relatively simple but decent looking sales pages, kind of inspired by optimized press kind of thing. So that's about it. Just wanted to highlight some of the new features. Most of them are pretty much optional, if not all of them are optional. I hope you like them, and you can still use the blogs as they are. As you can see now, it still looks like sort of like the typical blog, but you've got a few more features in there to help you customize it a bit more. So thanks again for your patience. I'm sorry it took so long to get these to you, but I mean, I've been working honestly 18-hour days for probably the past month to get to this stage. So you'll find it attached the PDF with the links to download the blogs. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again.